Welcome to our channel. If you want to create multiple income streams to increase financial security and wealth, follow these step-by-step instructions to diversify your earnings. Step 1. Assess your current skills, interests, and available time to identify potential income opportunities that align with your strengths and schedule. Step 2. Start with one additional income stream before expanding. Focus on mastering one source before adding complexity with multiple ventures simultaneously. Step 3. Consider passive income options such as dividend stocks, rental properties, creating digital products, or affiliate marketing that generate money with minimal ongoing effort. Step 4. Explore active income streams like freelancing, consulting, part-time jobs, or gig economy work that trade your time and skills for immediate compensation. Step 5. Leverage your existing job by asking for raises, seeking promotions, or taking on additional responsibilities that increase your primary income. Step 6. Create digital assets such as online courses, ebooks, stock photography, or software that can be sold repeatedly without additional work. Step 7. Invest your earnings from additional income streams back into income-generating assets rather than increasing lifestyle expenses to accelerate wealth building. Step 8. Monitor the performance of each income stream quarterly and eliminate underperforming ones while scaling successful ventures for maximum return on effort. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.